Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change Facebook password without old password. So first of all, click on this icon here, settings and privacy, settings, and click on security and login, and here scroll down, then click on change password. And here we can see manually it's asking for current password to change password. So all you have to do, click on forgotten your password, and after that, how do you want to receive the code to reset your password? You will get an code via email, or if you created your Facebook account using your mobile number, then you will get this code on your mobile number. So I'm created this account using my Gmail ID, so here's I'm selecting Gmail and then clicking on continue. And after that, here we can see, please check your emails for a message with your code. Your code is 6 numbers long. Now I'm going to my Gmail ID and I'm copying that code. Here we can see we received a request to reset your Facebook password. Enter the following password to reset code. Here is the code, so I'm copying this code from here, and now I'm going back to my Facebook, and here I'm pasting the code and now clicking on continue. And here we can see the option for inputting our new Facebook password. So I'm giving my password here and now clicking on continue. And here you can log out of other devices. Also you can stay logged in. So I'm selecting stay logged in. Now I'm clicking on continue. And here we can see my Facebook password has been changed without old password. And that's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.